Hi, I'm Miss Sam, and I'd like to take a minute to show you how you can make your very own baby toy. It's very safe, very fun, and you're going to take a bottle, a clear bottle, kind of a bigger opening, makes life easier. You're going to wash it out, and you're going to put some colorful cereal in it. Let's try it right now. Here, I'm going to start. I chose the colorful cereal because it's colorful and it's easy to use. They're pretty easy to use. You don't have to worry about making a mess because it's easy to pick up. But the colors are really, really pretty. I was trying to think of something that would really catch your baby's eye. So I thought this would be fun. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And then about half the bottle. And then for extra little bit of noise, I'm going to put in some raisins that are a little bit hard. So they'll squish around our cereal. Now we're going to take our lid and we're going to put lots of glue on it to make sure it's going to stick on. And then we close our bottle up tight and we're going to let it sit for 24 hours so the glue dries really well. And if any squishes out, you just wipe it off. And then look. You have a wonderful, wonderful happy baby toy. What's great about it is the colors and the sound. Your baby can roll it and be in command of this really cute little toy. And the best thing of all is you made it. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.